One thing that I love is a woman who knows when it's time to glow up and allow herself to grow. Jojo's glow up is being insane and is undeniable. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ponso. If you're new here, please do subscribe. All of us, let's do comment. Watch this video till the end, please. It helps this channel a lot. One thing for sure is that Jojo has been doing very well according to the social media posts. If you're following her on Facebook, you will see that there's a major difference from that little girl in Big Brother house who could not put her wigs right, who could not do her makeup right. Currently we're seeing a different side of Jojo, and I want to explain why is that the case. One thing is that Jojo has always talked about religion and faith as being the core pillars of his life. He talked about his dad instilling such values in her, and she continued with that even in an industry where it doesn't allow you to have a religious choice or religious opinion. But in South Africa, it's rather simple to say I'm a Christian than any other religion. Let's just be honest. So for Jojo to come online and maintain that through and through the fights of Big Brother house, I think that's what made her stand her ground, even though at some point she was, I think it was last year around this time, while the Alubaga saga came in and she said that she's leaving social media, of which I think it was a good choice for her because she was still new in the social media. If she pushed and continue on being people's throat, she was gonna actually lose more fans and become the forgotten ones, because that's how the game of social media is. Taking a break to refresh and come up with a new strategy could have been what has helped her. One thing that she has done so correctly is refining her style. Guys, let me tell you something. This is not my style. If I had money, I could not be in tracksuits all day long. I can define my style the way I want to put it, and that way it will show the glow up, it will show the grown woman in me. Because right now you might think maybe I'm, oh, people are saying I'm a go-go. So yeah, let's just say there. What I'm saying is that Jojo has refined her style that suit her body, her personality, and who she is. Her style now is defining Jojo in a much more like more demure Christian. You know, Christian, they don't like to show off their body too much, and that's what Jojo is doing. So you can actually align Jojo with how she wears and the style. It gives her confidence because now she's not trying to prove people that she's sexy, she's beautiful, she's whatnot. She just become who she is, and with that style she look elegant, classy, and really a Christian woman. Another thing that I love about her is that her makeup has improved. As I've said in the beginning of this video, that last year Jojo Big Brother House the final, we still remember the wave, it was a mess. But right now, what I've seen from her with the collaborations with brands, she has been trying to do her hair very well, and she's doing it very well. And the braids that she has right now, they look very good on her. I feel like she will always do that, and I'm inspired. You might see me rocking them up in the near future around September, because wow, they look good on her. Another thing that I love about her is that she values the relationship of people around her, which is one of those things that people we want the most. Her ship with Uyanda, which is unfortunately the colleagueship. People would love to have the ship of the shippers called Joyanda, but we were denied that one. So I think these are main things that are making Jojo to stand out, to glow up at the current time. Do comment in the comment section with your favorite Jojo moments. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.